This is a Tesla Cybertruck, stainless steel, sharp edges, futuristic, and right now it looks like it lost a fight with time. Dust baked into every seam, water spots on the glass. The interior smells like it's been closed up for way too long. And the worst part, it won't wake up. Most people see an electric truck like this and jump to one conclusion. The battery is dead. It's over. But with EVs, the truth is usually more complicated and way more interesting. So today we're doing something simple and brutal. We're bringing this Cybertruck back the right way, clean, safe and road ready, until we get that first quiet drive. Before we touch anything, let's define the project. This isn't a full rebuild, this is a revival. The Cybertruck is damaged and neglected, meaning it's been sitting. It's dirty. It's showing signs of moisture and corrosion, and something in the system is preventing it from powering up normally. And because this is an EV, I'm going to say this up front. High-voltage EV systems are dangerous. We do not show or recommend DIY work on high-voltage batteries or HV components. Any HV work in this project is handled by certified professionals with proper equipment. What we can do safely and what we will do is the stuff that makes a huge difference. Cleaning, inspection, basic systems, wheels, brakes, cooling checks, and the steps that set the car up for a proper professional diagnosis. Let's get into it. Look at the details up close. B-roll close-ups of dust, fingerprints, stains, door seals, tight seams. This stainless steel body looks tough, and it is, but it still shows every smear, every water stain, every little scratch. The glass has mineral spots. The seals look dry, and inside, roll interior mold, dust, console, grime, floor debris. It's grime in the creases, dust in the vents, and that abandoned car smell that tells you the cabin has been holding moisture. Now we try the simplest test. B-roll, attempt to open, wake screen, press button. No clean boot, no friendly chime, no normal wake-up sequence. So we're going to do this in the correct order. Clean first, then diagnose, because you can't fix what you can't see. This part is not just satisfying, it's strategic. SFX foam sprayer, soft brush, water rinse. We start outside. Foam, gentle agitation and attention to the seams. Cybertruck lines are sharp, and dirt loves hiding in sharp edges and panel gaps. B-roll, foam running off stainless panels. Then glass, then wheels, then the underbody rinse, because if it's been sitting, you want to see what's actually happening underneath, not what the mud is hiding. SFX rinse, stripping, microfiber wipe. Now interior. We go slow because electronics and moisture don't mix. B-roll, vacuum, soft brush, wipes, vent brush. Vacuum first. Soft brush work in the tight areas. Wipe down surfaces. Clean the rubber seals. And one of the biggest wins, getting the sticky grime film off the touch points. Handles, steering wheel, buttons, trim edges. By the time we're done, the truck already feels different. Not fixed yet, but no longer forgotten. Now we move into diagnosis, safely. Here's something people don't realize. Even though EVs have a huge battery pack, they still rely on a low-voltage electrical system to power computers, modules, locks, lights, and the vehicle's brain. If the low-voltage system is weak, unstable, or has a fault, the vehicle can act completely dead, or it can refuse to wake up properly. So we do the basics. Visual checks for moisture or corrosion in accessible areas. Checking obvious fuses and relays, no guessing, no shortcuts. Inspecting connectors we can safely access. Looking for anything damaged, loose, or contaminated. B-roll, fuse box cover, connector close-ups, corrosion wipe. And while we're here, we look at the stuff that affects drivability, even if the EV powers on. Because a powered-on truck with seized brakes, cracked tires, or compromised suspension is still not road ready. Next up, safety systems. B-roll, wheels, tires, brake close-ups. Tires first. If a car sits, tires flat spot, rubber hardens, sidewalls can crack. On a heavy EV, bad tires are a serious risk. Then brakes. Sitting cars can develop surface corrosion and sticking components. We clean what's appropriate, inspect the condition, and service what needs attention. Because you need consistent braking before you even think about a test drive. Then we check suspension and steering feel. Again, this is visual and mechanical inspection, not a teardown. And we do a quick check of cooling-related components we can safely view. EV thermal management matters. If something looks obviously wrong, leaks, damage, contamination, that's a red flag for professional service. At this point, we've done everything we can do responsibly in a normal workshop environment. Now comes the part that must be done by pros. This is where a lot of restoration videos go off the rails, showing dangerous high-voltage work like it's a casual weekend project. We're not doing that. Instead, we take the Cybertruck to certified EV professionals. We document the process the safe way, transport, intake, and the return. B-roll, flatbed, service shop exterior, paperwork, diagnostic equipment, no close-up HV components, whatever the root issue is, software faults, low voltage issues, HV interlocks, or something deeper. This is where it gets handled correctly, with the right tools and safety procedures, and then the truck comes back. So that's the Cybertruck revival, cleaned, inspected, serviced the safe way, and brought back to road-ready condition. If you want part 2, we can do a real-world ownership check, short-range impressions, charging experience, and what it actually costs to bring a neglected EV back. Comment what EV you want next. Do we revive another damaged electric car? Or do we compare this comeback Cybertruck to the newest electric cars today? And if you enjoyed the process, subscribe, because the next revival might be even crazier.